cook your yam porridge the right way. Watch this video to the end so that you will know how to prepare your yam porridge in a healthy way. Enjoy watching. Do you know that if you chop your yam and put it in the pot like so, pour in little tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, tomatoes, little ginger, little garlic, and crayfish, rinse your blender and cover it to cook. When last did you eat yam porridge, and are you going to cook yours after watching this video? Then put in little fish and roasted chicken. You can use any one you have. You can use fresh fish or whatever fish you have. You can just use it, okay? If you are the type that eats salt, you add salt. If you like, you can add seasoning cube. Then you add some palm oil. Make sure your oil is not too much, because too much of oil is not healthy. So you cover it and let it cook. Then you slice your veggies. I'm going to be using spinach. So you slice any veggies you have, and I'm also going to be adding some little spring onion. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm slicing it. Remember to like this video and share. This is the spring onion, and here are my veggies. Look at that. It's a lot. Yes, you don't just eat white yam without vegetable. I used to do it. You just use anything, but it is good you use vegetable to eat your yam. Yes, it's the best. So I'm throwing in the spring onion. Here is the veggies. Yeah, and you can also watch other videos on my channel, like how to make black soup, bitter leaf soup, okra soup, okra and ogbolo mixed together. I have the video on my channel, and how to make a goosey soup, different methods. I have it there, and how to make Nigerian meat pie, puff puff, chin chin. I have all those videos on my channel. You can go and check it out. And I also have a video on my channel how to make cake, whether wedding cake or birthday cake, whatever cake. I have the video on my channel, and cake measurement. If you have been making mistake making cake, I have cake measurement on my channel. You can go and watch that video. You will like it. Please watch this video to the end. Remember to like and share, but don't add too much of seasoning, because the food supposed to sweet natural. You are supposed to feel that natural taste. So too much of seasoning is not going to be good. And if you are adding garlic and ginger, I just added little, just very little. And make sure your crayfish is a lot. Look at that. It's almost ready. Have you liked this video? Have you shared? Comment if you like this video. Let me know what you like about this video, because some people may not like vegetable in their porridge, but I want to let you know that it's the best. So if you like it, let me know. Now it's time to dish my food. Ooh la la, look at that. It's so delicious, and it is good when you are eating your porridge. Make sure it has soup in it. You will enjoy it more. Although some people like it when it's very thick. No, you have to let it have this soup. If you have not tried it, give it a try. Look at that. Isn't that looking delicious? And it's delicious, so nice. Look at that, with veggies. Super nice. So that is the chicken. If you don't have chicken, you can just do it like that. I just added that chicken so that when I'm eating the yam, I will also be chewing the chicken. You can cook it without fish. You can cook it without fish or chicken, but try to add crayfish. Look at this. Is this food not calling somebody's name already? So yummy and beautiful. Have you given my video thumbs up? Share this video and subscribe to my channel if you are watching on YouTube. Follow my page if you are watching on TikTok. Give me a follow if you are watching on Facebook. Thanks for watching my video to the end. You are the best. I would like to see you next time. Ciao.